Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Let's learn about another wonderful concept in English, adjectives. Adjectives are like magic paint brushes in grammar. They add color, detail and life to our sentences. So let's explore adjectives together and master their types. Ready? Let's begin. Before we learn what adjectives are, let's try a quick activity. Identify the adjectives from the words below and write them in the space provided. Let's check the answers. Words like sweeter, slow, smooth, beautiful describe nouns and add details. They are called adjectives. Now, let's explore the different types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives that are used to talk about the kind, nature or quality of a noun. They tell us what type of person, place or thing we are talking about. Examples: large, beautiful, kind, excellent, tall. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives that tell us how much of something there is. They are used with uncountable nouns and show the amount in a general way. Examples: enough, any, some, little. Adjectives of number. Adjectives that tell us how many things there are or the order of things. They are used with countable nouns to show exact number or position. Examples: sixth, first, second, two, three. Demonstrative adjectives. Words that point out or highlight specific nouns. They come before a noun to show which person or thing is meant. Examples: this, that, these, those. Interrogative adjectives. Words used with nouns to ask questions about them. They help us find out which, whose or what kind of noun is being referred to. Examples: whose, which, what. Possessive adjectives. Words that show ownership or belonging of a noun. They tell us to whom the noun belongs. Examples: his, our, her, my, your. Let's learn demonstrative adjectives versus demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives are always followed by a noun. Demonstrative pronouns stand alone and replace a noun or a noun phrase. Examples: the muffins that you gave me were good. Here, that is a demonstrative adjective because it describes the noun muffins. Did you see the new movie in the theater? I want to see that. Here, that is a demonstrative pronoun because it replaces the noun phrase the new movie. Formation of adjectives. We can form new adjectives by adding a prefix or a suffix to the root word. Look at the table for a clear understanding. Order of adjectives. When we use more than one adjective before a noun, they follow a specific order in English. The order is: this order helps sentences sound natural and correct. Example is given below. Degree of comparison. Adjectives of quality have 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree, used when talking about one person, animal or thing. Comparative degree, used when comparing two people, animals or things. Superlative degree, used when comparing more than 2 people, animals or things. The examples are given below. Now let's learn how to use adjectives of number and quantity, any, used in negative sentences. Example: I don't have any food left. Some, used in affirmative sentences and when a positive answer is expected. Example: I made some money selling stamps. Few, a few, the few, used with countable nouns. Few, almost none. A few, not many but some. The few, the small number that exists. Examples are given below. A few of her films were screened abroad. The few pens that I have do not work. Many shows the number of countable nouns. Many centuries ago there lived a saint. Much shows the quantity of uncountable nouns. Much time has been spent on planning the trip. Adjectives of age. Words like older, oldest, younger, youngest are used to show age. Example: the building is older than the church. Words like elder, eldest also show age but are usually used for family relations. Example: Charan is Peter's elder brother. Adjectives of time and position. Words like late, later, latest are used to talk about time. Words like latter, last, next are used to show position. Check the examples to understand. Alright students, let's practice now. Take your time and solve the questions. Fantastic work students! Here are the answers. Great effort today everyone. Keep revising adjectives regularly. The more you practice, the stronger your grammar will become. Stay tuned for our next lesson. Goodbye for now.